Let's do it. All right, settle down, everybody. Welcome back to the show. So I'm sure you have seen probably 111, 12 T-thousand is 11, 12 T-thousand. Is that a word? That's how many videos you've probably seen on the Galaxy Watch 3. Most of them are probably unboxings and so-called reviews. So I don't want to do that. I got my Galaxy Watch 3 the other day and I've been enjoying it. I will do maybe a comparison to my previous Gear S3 watches. That's yet to come, but I figured I'd do something a little bit different and just show you that there are plenty of opportunities for you to wear this watch if you choose to buy it. So without further ado, let's take a deep dive. Whoa, back up, dude. You are way too close, man. Back up. There you go. All right, yeah, get a good look at all of them. There you go. All right. So what we have here are 24 watch bands to wear with your new Galaxy Watch 3. And the reason why there are 24 here is because, well, there's 25. There's the one it actually came with. But the reason why there are so many here is because of my previous personal experiences. My first smartwatch just happened to be the the Gear S3. Can you even tell these apart if you just glance at them? This is the Gear S3 Frontier, right? This is the classic. And this right here is the new Galaxy Watch 3. It's hard to tell them apart, as far as like what generation they are. And that's actually a good thing. Some people might want a more radical design. I think it's a good thing. But the reason why I got all these watch bands here is because this watch is the key. So this is what I'm talking about. I initially started with the Galaxy Gear S3 watch. I'm sorry, I keep messing up the name. It is not Galaxy, it's the Gear S3 Frontier, okay? That was my initial watch. So I started off with a bunch of sport style bands when I first got this thing because I was a trainer back then. I did a lot of fitness and stuff and I used it for a lot of kind of sporty things. But then I decided I wanted to get dressed up one day, so I bought a couple of other bands for it. And then that's when I started to figure out this watch is not able to be dressed up as well as you would want it to be sometimes. We got some casual looking bands here that might go good with this all black or all, gunmetal design. So maybe 2 years later, I liked it so much, I didn't want to get the next version of the watch. I just ended up getting an outdated version or an older version, which was the Gear S3 Classic. And that's where all these other bands come in because it looks really nice with the dressier bands. Now, this watch doesn't look as good with the sporty bands. So I ended up having two watches at the same time that were almost the exact same. They just had different colors and they went with different bands. I want to show you how this watch is the jam because it pretty much matches all of these bands. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to step aside here and I am going to do just a quick slideshow, or as quick as I can. This is literally 24 bands. I'm going to do a quick slideshow so you can see how your Galaxy Watch 3 will look with different styles of bands. Now I'm going to do my best to put a link for all these bands in there. So it's going to be a lot of links. So don't complain about how many links there are, but I don't even know if I have a link to each band. So, I just want to show you how it would look with a certain band, just in case you were curious, because I haven't even seen this particular style on the internet a lot. Most people are showing off that rose gold color. Well, it's Mystic Bronze, but trust me, man, I've seen the phone in person and it is straight up pink. It is rose gold. I think most of those people who are doing that watch actually got it from Samsung as a review device because they're pushing that color hardcore. And the people who actually have the Mystic Black one and this one right here, what is this called? I forget, but it's the mixture with the black bezel and the chrome outer finish. The people who are getting that one, those people actually bought their watch. Okay, so that's what I've gathered on the internet. But without further ado, let's go ahead and cut to that slideshow. That way you can see how your new watch is going to look with different styles of bands. Let's go. hands down the most handsome and universal smartwatch Samsung has put on the market to date. It goes well with sport bands, it goes well with the casual and the dress up bands. You can't do that with an Apple Watch. They just don't work that way. Sorry guys, shots fired. Now I promised I'd put as many links as possible to these bands, but I do realize that some of these bands I actually got from Walmart and Target. I would just be walking through the store one day and I would see a nice looking watch and watch band. I didn't want the watch because I already had one, but I did like the band. So, you know, those watches are like $12 to $15. So to me, it was worth it to buy the watch, trash the watch, and keep the band for my Gear S3, and now in this case my Galaxy Watch 3. So you might want to do that as well, as long as you know that you're getting a 22mm watch band for your new watch. Either way, I'm no expert in this kind of stuff, but what I do know is it's a good looking watch, man. Y'all enjoy. Hey, keep taking care of each other, and I'll see you when I see you. Oh, so you wanted them cats that like to just run up in a place, take what you want, then leave, huh? Man, you better hit that subscribe and notification button. That way you know when I'm over here opening up new stuff. And while you're down there, you might want to consider tapping that join button and becoming a member, because membership has its perks. See, that wasn't so bad. All right, man, I appreciate you, and I'll see you at the next one.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?